Experience the premium-powered audio of Sena's Quantum series with sound by Harman Kardon. Sena's Quantum series integrates a newly designed microphone and premium-powered speakers for the best-sounding ride yet. The premium-powered speakers house a new Sound by Harman Kardon driver, specifically enhanced with 5 audio equalizers tuned by the audio experts at Harman Kardon for an unrivaled audio experience. Helmets within the Quantum series have been designed with precisely placed premium speakers and acoustic dampening to deliver an unprecedented motorcycling auditory experience. Going beyond just delivering premium sound, Sena analyzed how audio was collected, designing a new microphone shape to further filter wind pressure and reduce noise for clear communication. This microphone design encases the Sound by Harman Kardon mic sensor, which increases clarity while markedly reducing external noise.
Mesh intercom on.
Sena's connectivity combined with Harman Kardon's audio expertise brings premium powered audio, the Quantum series.